Welcome to Ashford International.
Now leaving platform 2 at Ashford International with a 1319 southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory, 375910. The reason I'm speaking like this up to the microphone is because there's a very noisy 171 next door to me. Three 910, 375 612. 910 and 612 to Dover Priory. The 1325 southern service to Eastbourne. Okay. Victoria now off 6. One 71811 to Eastbourne via Ryan Hastings. That's why the
Platform 2 for the 1332 southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Merseyrail, Marlin, Harsco, Stoneblower, Severn Valley Railway, London and London Charing Cross. This train has 8 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
water rated from 1 to 2, 375 709 and 828. Okay, now ready to leave platform 1B, I want to say. Ashford International be the platform water rated from 6 to 1 because the lifts are broken 5 and 6. 1350 southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate 5, Canterbury West, 375 624. There's Canterbury. Three 75624 to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. But now there's a 377 on platform 2, which apparently went bang earlier. Train's going to Ashford Depot as soon as that's cleared. Right, the train that went bang earlier and now moving to depot was 5 Alpha 30, 377517. Three 77517 to Ashford downsidings. The 1400 southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross via Dunbridge. One of 7 coaches. We've got a 3-car involved.
Platform 2 for the 1400 southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Calling at Pluckley, Headcourt, Bakeford, Marlin, Haddockwood, Tunbridge, Severn, London Bridge, London Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross. This train has 7 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Sorry, some toilets on this train are out of use.
302 and 923. The delayed 1346 GBRf service from Donsmore to Daventry. First time for me seeing the GBRf water train, so them and DB shared a contract. 66741 Swanage Railway. Six 6741 Swanage Railway to Daventry. 1419 South Eastern service to Dover Priory. Delayed due to breakdown train earlier today. If you say so, love.
Platform 2 of the 1419 South Eastern service to Dover Priory. Western Hangar, Stanley, Bolton West, Bolton Central and Dover Priory. This train has 4 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
The 0755 South Eastern service from Folkestone Central to London Victoria.
Platform 2 of the 0755 South Eastern service to London Victoria.
377506.
Cherry, Lenham, Harwich, Hollingford, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Barwick, East Malling, Westmoreland,
377506 to 377514.
Swansea, St Mary Crow.
Bromley South and London Victoria.
This train has 8 coaches, 2 additional platforms. Passengers from Cherry, Harwich, Hollingford, Barwick,
The 0800 to Charing Cross.
800 South Eastern
375613.
Cambridge,
375613 to 375828. Yes, it does. Looks like it, there is. The 0809 DB Cargo UK service from Donsmore to Wembley. $66,002. Triple 7030. 77028. Triple 7024. Oh, and what have we got on the end here? VR8207. To Wembley. And then Kirkdale. I don't know where the Stoneblower's off to, I'll have to check. MPV 98930. A 98980.